Weld-On introduces P-68 UV Glow Primer, the first clear primer that possesses three unique attributes. P-68 UV Glow applies clean and clear while glowing purple under UV light. The low-fume formula makes it safer for installers. This ultra-low VOC primer is also compliant with the most stringent codes. P-68 UV Glow rapidly softens and dissolves the joining surfaces of PVC and CPVC pipe and fittings prior to the application of solvent cement. Its unique clear to purple glow feature means clean-looking joints that reveal full primer coverage under UV light inspection. For complete product information on this and other Weld-On primers and solvent cements, visit us online at www.weldon.com.